If you have completed lesson 11, you already learned how to move off right now mode. You learned to talk about today, yesterday, tomorrow, and about every day without sounding temporary all the time. Today, we continue with that idea very gently. We are not adding any grammar rules, we are not adding many new words. Today is about learning how to talk about what you do in your life, not just what you are doing at this moment. Today's lesson is a quick recap of lesson 12, how to talk about what you do in your life and what you're doing at this moment. Before we begin, please turn off the captions first. On your second listen, turn on the captions in your language. These captions are prepared by me, not the auto captions that YouTube prepared. Your job is to simply listen carefully, repeat aloud, and let your mouth and your ear do the job. As always, use subtitles and pinyin as support only. Try to listen once without looking and then repeat out loud. This course trains your ears and mouth first. Listen first. 我工作 I work. I'm working. Again. 我工作我工作 This sentence is about doing something. It's something you do in your life. 我工作 Now listen. 我学习我学习 This is what you're doing in your life. I study, I'm studying. Once again. 我学习我休息我休息 I rest, I'm resting. 我休息 These are life general statements. Chinese is very comfortable in saying this thing this way. 我休息我工作我休息我工作我学习 Now we add time, general time, to be more fluent. It's still about your life. Listen. 我每天工作我每天工作 I work every day. It's about my life. Again. 我每天工作 or 我天天学习我天天学习 This is not a time focus. This is general. 我天天工作我天天学习我天天休息 Now to say that you're doing something right now. Right now. This is general. 我喝茶我喝咖啡 Right now. 我在喝茶我在喝咖啡你在做什么我在喝咖啡 What are you doing now? I'm drinking coffee now. 我在喝咖啡 So listen to the feeling, listen to the pattern now. 我工作我在工作我天天工作我学习我在学习我天天学习 Can you feel the difference? No rule to memorize, just feel the difference. I'll say it again. 我工作我在工作我天天工作 I work. General. I'm working now. 我在工作我天天工作 That's also general. I work every day. Now let's build a slightly longer speech, a longer sentence, to make your speech more sophisticated. Just one word, one new word to notice today. Yeah. Yeah. That's third tone. Yeah. Meaning also or to. It often sounds like and also. So just add things together. 我每天工作也休息 我每天工作也休息。I work every day and I also rest. Again, 我每天工作也休息。So this word is very useful for adding things together. 工作 and also 休息. Now listen to this one. 我天天学习中文，也学习英文。我天天学习中文，也学习英文。I study Chinese every day and also English. Now compare this with 和。和 is simple. It's simply and. It just joins things together. 我天天学习中文和英文。我天天学习中文和英文。So that says, I study Chinese and English every day. Instead of 我天天学习中文也学习英文. Let's revise what we learned, but mixing it up a little by changing the person. So listen. 老师工作，爸爸工作，哥哥工作，朋友工作，他工作，他也工作。Hear that? It flows. 他工作，他也工作。She works and he also works. Another sentence pattern that we learned. 哥哥天天喝咖啡。哥哥天天喝咖啡。Notice this sentence. Every single character is tone 1. It's a good one to practice tone 1. 哥哥天天喝咖啡. But when you speak it naturally, not all the tone 1 sounds the same. It's not 哥哥天天喝咖啡. It's 哥哥天天喝咖啡. There's also a rhythm and a difference between the sound. 哥哥天天喝咖啡. So 哥哥 is stronger, softer. 天天 is also stronger, softer. 喝 is what you're doing, so that's emphasized. And then 咖啡 is two equally strong sounds. 咖啡. Now let me challenge you with this sentence. No script, no pinyin, no nothing. 姐姐天天喝咖啡，也喝茶。姐姐天天喝咖啡，也喝茶。我每天工作，也学习中文。我每天工作，也学习中文。Okay. The answer is in the description below. Now let's wrap up. Listen to this pair. 我在工作，我工作。你在工作，你工作。There you are, simple, short sentences that sounds natural in natural Chinese. Today you learned how to talk about what you do in your life, not just what you're doing right now. You practice life statements using time as background, dropping 在 when it's not needed, speaking calmly and naturally, just using short sentences. Repeat aloud a few times a day is enough. If this lesson helps you, please support this young channel. Like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone else learning Chinese. It truly helps this course grow. In the next lesson, lesson 13, we'll continue your learning about how time sits around your sentence, so your speech will flow even more smoothly. Keep using these lessons to train your ears and mouth, and let your reading and writing support your speaking, not replace it. See you in the next lesson.